Here's a watch. Oh, the B. See how busted this pencil is? Look at this. Look at this. I don't know who chewed on this. Look at that. Okay, we're done disgracing this pencil. Shh. 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 Let me tell you something important. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and give a like. Okay. Now we apply the gesso. Gesso. Dude, it's too early for this, man. It's too early. You know what? I probably should have started this slower. Circular head. Ooh, yeah, dude, this isn't gonna fit. Okay, so this circle is gonna be a little mutated. I can't even see this. Okay, I think that looks circular enough. Oh, I forgot to put holes in it. Dude, it literally looks like a giant ball of cheese. I hope this don't smear. Oh, it does. Man, this is sad. Okay, it's not that bad. It's pretty bad, actually. Okay. Oh, you know, the white does show. I'm shook. I'm very shook. I thought it was a weak white. Ooh, don't mess this up. Do not mess this up. Okay.
One eternity later.